Hello everyone, my name is Ibad and I am the project manager for skid-based solution. We have designed this skid for one of our renowned clients in Middle East. These skids are specifically designed for precise dosing of the chemicals and multiple different applications. As you can see the design, we have a complete process solution integrated in one skid, and we have all the pumps, transmitters, level gauges, tank, electrical item, instrument, junction box. All these things are equipped in a single unit, which is single package, which is going to be installed on an offshore platform. In conventional engineering, equipments were used to fabricate it on site, and which took a lot of effort and of course some safety hazards, as the environment is hazardous in all the oil and gas fields, if it is onshore platform or if it is offshore one. So these skid-based solutions are specifically designed for any application, not only restricted to chemical injection. And these we make a plug-and-play solution. It is just sent to site and installed it over there, and interconnections and time points are connected. These solutions are specifically designed as per the international standards like ASME, API, and other international standards which are being followed across the globe. These skids are not just off-the-shelf item, but they are customized design based on every application and dosing requirements as per the client, which will ultimately help the client in elevating their operational requirements.
This project shows how Avanceon sales engagement, technical know-how and close customer collaboration can solve complex industrial challenges. From the start, we were not just selling a product, we were working with the client to solution build a tailored to their chemical dosing needs, automation setup and performance goals. The chemical injection is fully customized for accurate dosing and maintain the safety feature, and designed to meet Shell, DP and local standard. The successful FAT proved the system works as promised, reliable, safe and delivering customer value to the client. This is the kind of impact we strive in every project.
So this is all about chemical injection skids and skids-based solution. So if you have any further queries, please contact us, and the details are in the description. Thank you for your time.